Alright, so after you've installed all your plugins, alright, now we want to create our page. Okay, we want to create our sales page. Okay, and if you want to create your sales page, you use instabuilder. So you come to instabuilder, you just click on it. Please just follow this video. If you don't get anyone, just rewatch. Okay, so now we are on instabuilder. I think it's still loading. So the first thing you want to do is to click new page. Alright, but then there are some pages I've created here, as you can see. Okay, but then you just click new page. Okay, so there are some templates that have been done for you here. Okay, once you click on that new page, there are some templates that have been done for you. Okay, so you can just scroll through and choose any one depending on what you want to do. Okay, but in your own case, I guess you want to sell a product. Okay, so there's a template here that I always use, because the template has been pre-made, okay, in a way that you will just follow it step by step to create your own sales page. Okay, they have given you the steps on what to write, on what to do, okay, on how to design your page so that it will make your buyers buy your product. Okay, so you can just come up here. Okay, this template type, all right, just click on sales page. So once you select sales page, there is a particular template that I'm looking for. Okay, there's this template that's been pre-made for selling product. All right, so okay, good, I found it. So you see this template here, please look at it very well. You will see it, your powerful headline that will grab your visitors. Okay, that's what it says here. So once you see this template, you choose it. Don't forget, come to this template types, select sales page, and then look for this particular template. Okay, once you choose it, okay, so once you choose that template, all right, now you can now edit. Okay, this is how the template will be uploaded. Okay, so this is our instabuilder where we can now edit this template. Okay, so as you can see, this template has been pre-made. Okay, they said if you want to add a pre-headline to set up the main headline below, then you can simply replace this text. Okay, so you replace all what you do, just to replace all this text with your own text based on the product you want to sell. All right, this thing has been pre-made for you. All right, just follow the steps. Okay, follow the steps to write your own sales page. Okay, they've given you steps. Okay, and sometimes it's not compulsory you follow the steps. Okay, it's not compulsory, and most times you don't just do sales page very long and then it will not convert. Sometimes very short sales page can convert. All right, so there are some things you can skip here. For example, depending on the kind of product you want to sell, you can skip this story, you can skip it. Okay, you can just, you can even skip this first one. All right, so I'll show you how to edit. So the first thing you want to do is change your permalink. All right, you click on this green change permalink here, and then you come here, edit permalink. Okay, you click on that, and then you come here and clean this and put the name of your product. Let's say weight loss tea. Okay, and you click OK, and once that loads, it turns to green. Okay, and then you hit close. Once you do that, the next thing you want to do is to publish. Okay, you publish. Please make sure you publish first before you do any other thing. Okay, after publishing, you come to these settings. Okay, this gear form icon here. Okay, you click on page settings, you click on page info SEO. all right, then here you still type you can still type the name of your product. You can still say weight loss. Okay, weight loss tea. Okay, and you hit save. Please always save your job, always save your work. Please, this is save. This SD card icon here is save. Anything you do, please always come here and save. All right, so the first thing you want to do, I don't need this, we remove it. You just click on it and then you hit delete. Okay, so if you want to write this headline like this, all these things, they've put them there for you. But in case if you are starting from scratch, if you do not want to use a template, okay, which I would not advise, okay, but once you start using this and you are getting conversant with it, then most times you want to create your page from scratch. But because you are still a newbie, all right, you start like this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is come here, title element. Okay, you carry this title element and put it where you want to. Anywhere you see this yellow, that's where to drop it. Okay, so all these things that are here, they are widgets. They are widgets that helps you to design your page. So any widget you want to make use of, you drag it and put it on here. Okay, so as you can see, your headline, your powerful headline that we grab. So here you put your headline. All right, hello, mo busy by mo bí kí ló fẹ́ sọ, pè mí padà in the next 1 hour jọ torí Ọlọ́run. All right, so once you drop it, you can now edit. Okay, so in order to edit, okay, you just double click on it. Okay, you double click like this. Okay, once you double click, you will see the editing icon on here, or the editing bar here, and you can edit it. Okay, so for example, let's do it this way. Let's do what they did here. All right, so first thing, this thing is centralized, so we want to centralize. You highlight all, you see the center here, align center, you put it as center. This one is in bold, you come here, you put it on bold. Okay, just like your what's it called, Microsoft Office. Okay, more or less like your Microsoft Office. Okay, the next thing you want to do, you can change the font. All right, you can change the font here, so as you can see impact. Okay, you can still change this font size. Okay, you can change the font size. All right, you can change the font size. Okay, I'm gonna change it back to Arial. Okay, you can virtually change anything. Okay, the color, they use brown. Okay, so you can also change to brown. So as you can see, we are getting this now. All right, so that's that about the headline. If you want to add a picture, all right, so I'm gonna remove this. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, delete. Okay, so you can edit this section to suit the product you want to sell. Okay, just put your powerful headline here. The headline swipe that I gave to you guys, you can just go through it, select one, fill in the gap, and then you come and put your headline here. Okay, so as you're designing, maybe you discover that this headline and this one, they are too close, and you want a gap here. You want them to have a gap here. Okay, what you do is to come here, you see spacer here. Okay, you want to space them. Maybe they are too close. You see spacer, you carry it, you see where this yellow is, you drop it, and then you click on it. You know it's a spacer, it will be empty, so you can adjust the space. Okay, you can adjust it the way you want. And don't forget, once you do this, always hit save. Okay, always hit save. So sometimes you will hit save and the thing will continue to load. That means your network has been interrupted, so you just come back here and reload. And once you reload, the last editing you did will not be saved. Okay, and that's why I said always save immediately you perform any action here. All right, so the next thing, if you want to add a picture, okay, if you want to add a picture, you drag it and put it anywhere you want to put it. Okay, please, this is just a step on how to design your sales page. Okay, you can do that. You can find other sales pages, okay, and follow and emulate it, but this is how you design them. Okay, this is your sales page. Okay, once you want to design your sales page, what you can do is to come to your Google, you type imgo. All right, imgo.com. Okay, once you type that, I already have an account. Okay, in your own case, you create an account. All right, please, I want to be very fast in this video so that it will not take too much time. All right, this is the longest video or the Facebook ads video. Okay, so once you come here, okay, drag picture. All right, any picture you want to upload. Okay, you go to your file. Okay, you go to your file and then you drag the picture you want to upload. Okay, you just drag the picture. All right, you drag the picture of what you want to put on your sales page. You drag it on your account here. Just drag it here, just drag it and drop. Okay, so it will upload. Once you drag it to upload, and then you come here, you see upload complete, then you come to your account here and go to images. Okay, go to images. So once you come to images, then all the images you've uploaded, you see them there, and then the one you want to use, you just select the one you want to use. Okay, you can see many images that I've used previously. Okay, I've used all these. You can see I still have more on the second page. Okay, I still have more. Okay, so once you get these images, what you can just do is to select the one you want to use. Okay, let's take for example this. All these things are examples. Okay, please, when you want to design your page, please do it very neatly. All right, so once you click on this, you see this link here. You see direct link. Okay, this direct link here, JPG, that ends with JPG. Some of them will end with PNG. It's always this, sorry, it's always the second link. Okay, you copy. So once you copy it, you go back to your page. Okay, so once you drag the image element here, you click on it and then click on settings here, edit configuration. Okay, you click on it and then you paste that link here, replace upload or search image. You place that link here, you paste it. Okay, once you paste it, it will then appear here, and then you hit your save. Please always save your work. You can close this and then you come back here, click on it, and then you can adjust. Okay, you can adjust this image. All right, you can adjust this image anyway to any size you want it, and after adjustment you would hit your save again. Okay, so you scroll down your text. You can edit your text anytime. You can double click on it. Okay, double click. You can change the font, you can change the color. I already showed you that. Okay, so again, how do they do this? Okay, that you have a picture at the side and then have a text at the side. Okay, what you do is you come to columns. All right, you drag these columns here. So you have two columns, you have two sections here. Okay, what you want to do is to drag this very close to this place. Okay, so once you have it like this, you come here, you drag the image element again, put it on this on the one side. Okay, and then this side you come to a text element. We have headline and we have text. If you're writing normal text, okay, you drag this text element and put it on this side, and then you have something like this. Then you can upload your image the same way I told you to do that, the same way. Okay, you come here, paste your link here, and then you close, and then you save. And then the text, you double click, you can edit the way you want. Okay, put right about your product. Okay, and save. Okay, so now you scroll down again, you can see use of headline to tell how you struggle. You can tell a story around your product. Okay, you can tell people story about how you suffered about a problem. Okay, for example, weight loss, you've suffered, you are fat, you tell them a story. Make sure your story is real. It's not compulsory it's a real story, but make sure you tell it in a real way. Okay, so you tell them how you've looked for product, everything. Okay, if you have a long story that can make your audience bored to death, okay, here's some tips to making it interesting. Okay, you can follow this, give them more tips. Okay, and then here you tell them how you finally able to solve your problem. Okay, so you give them, okay, so I came across a product online, I placed an order. Okay, I make my query from the seller, and then you can just tell your story around all those stuff. Okay, and then you introduce your product as a solution. Okay, introduce your product. So you put your image here. Okay, this is just the way I've gave you the image. You can always change this. Okay, you can always change this. Okay, as you can see, you close that, save. All right, so that's how you do that. Okay, so here you can see what they do here. This thing is in a box. Okay, this particular listing is in a box. So how do they do that? Okay, what they do is you come to box element. Okay, box element. As you can see, we are on box element. You drag it, also you drop it. Okay, once you drop it, you come back, you drag your text element. Okay, you drop it. Okay, you put your text. Okay, you edit your text. Okay, once you edit that, let's say you have this, this listing, how did they do that? You can highlight all this and then you come to this bullet. Okay, so you put this bullet list. Okay, once you put bullet list, you still leave it highlighted. You come to format. After putting bullet list, okay, you come to format. You can see bullet. Okay, so here you can select any of these that you want. Okay, it won't preview it here. You don't know the color, but you know the color, but you don't know how it looks like. Okay, so you can just select the first one, let's say green. Okay, as you can see, we have this bullet here, and that's how you can set your bullet. Okay, you can set your bullet here. Okay, that's how they do it. Okay, there's no magic about all these things. Okay, there's no magic about it, so you can continue like that. And but here you can see there's a little difference here. Okay, so I don't think they actually use a box. What they did is a section. Okay, you can drag this section, all right, paste it here. I think they use the section, and then what we have inside here, let me drag inside that section. You can drag these things and put anywhere you want. Okay, so as you can see, we have something like this. Okay, and you can adjust your section. Okay, you can adjust your section. Okay, you can adjust it, you can adjust. All right, so you can adjust your section like this. Okay, so now that's that about that. Okay, let me delete that. Let me delete this section here. Let me delete this. Please don't forget to always save your work. Okay, so I already told you how to do this. This is a testimonial. Okay, this is a testimonial. The same way you did that, you drag your columns. Okay, you drag your columns here, and then you separate them. You drag this to the side to adjust the size here, and then you drag your image, put it, then you drag your text and put it here, and then you edit to form your your testimonial. Okay, this exactly the way I did it the other time. This is a box element. You drag it, then you put your text. You can also edit the background of your box. Okay, the background of your box, you can edit it. You come to configuration here. Okay, you can see margin and padding. You can see background color. I can change the background color. Okay, I can change the background color to anything. You can see yellow. You can change it to anything you want it to be. All right, and once you do that, please don't forget, always hit save. Okay, always hit save. And once you are done, you scroll down again. You can edit all these things to suit your product. You edit them. You can remove this. I don't actually use this. I use this template a lot, but I just remove this thing. Okay, most of these down parts of it, I remove them. I leave this. Okay, you leave this here. You just double click and edit it, and just remove this. Just remove this offer A and leave it like this, 100% risk free. And then you edit this to suit you. This support, you click on it. Okay, it was hyperlinked. Okay, so what you do is here, you click here like this. You come to this insert link. You click on this link, and then that's if you want people to go to another link or a page. Okay, but I don't think you need that, so we're just gonna remove this and then okay it, and then you see it's not hyperlinked again. All right, but if you want to put a link here, now here, just copy it like this and click on insert link, and then you put the link that I want people to go to. So here I'll cancel. Okay, so you just edit this image. You can download it from Google. Search on Google, you see many of these badge. Okay, the same way you drag your columns, separate them, put the text, put the image, and then upload the image of this badge. Okay, for this one, you delete this. This is just an image. Okay, this is an image. Please don't forget to always hit save. All right, so now for people to place order on your sales page, now they need to fill a form where they will drop their name, their address, the number of quantity they want to buy. All right, so in order to do that, we're gonna go to our dashboard. You see the WP forms that were uploaded the other time. You click on it, and then you come to add new form. Okay, add new form. Add new form. So once you click on add new form, it will bring you here where you can now set up your new form. Okay, you create a new form. Let's say your weight loss order. You can name it weight loss order. All right, so you choose a template. Here I'll choose a new template, a blank template. Okay, you choose a blank template. Please, all these things are not magic. Okay, they are not magic. Just follow the steps. Anything you don't understand, you can always hit me up or ask in the group, and some that knows better will answer your question, but most times I will be there to answer your questions. All right, so now once you are here on the blank template, okay, you hit single line. All these things have their own functions, and I'll show you now. Single line text. Okay, let me add like 2 or 3, and then drop down, I'll add that, and then checkbox. Okay, so now let me explain all this. So the first one is single line text, just is normal line text. What you want to do is to edit this to name of the person. All right, that's, you want to collect the name. So you put this thing to required. Okay, required makes it compulsory for them to fill. Okay, that means if they did not fill it, they will not be able to place their order. It's very, very important, because most of them will just omit some of the important important fields. They will not fill it. Okay, so the second one, you click on it like this to edit it. You come here, you change the text, you say phone number, you put required. Okay, you can see that's put it required. So here, most times I used to put alternative phone number. Okay, you can put alternative phone number. All right, but here I'm gonna put state. Okay, in order not to, all right, don't forget. All right, and then I think I still have address, so I can duplicate this. Okay, so once you just come here, you hit duplicate, and then you hit OK, and then you can edit this. You can put this as state, and then this as what, and this one as what, address, full address. Make sure you put there. Right, the drop down, if you are selling your product, and then you want to give them a kind of choice, like color, size, or numbers of pieces. Okay, so you can, first thing, you can come here. Let's say the number of pieces you want them to put your, okay, that's the quantity. The first one, you can say 1 piece. Okay, 1 piece. Sometimes you can put the price. Okay, let's say NG, that is naira. Let's say 10,000 naira. Okay, second choice, you can say 2 pieces. Okay, you can put the price. You can give them a discount. Let's say 18,000 naira. Okay, and like that. So you can add more. Like this, more fields, and you can remove. Okay, you can remove. So I'm gonna leave it at 2. All right, and that's how to do that. And you can still use this checkbox here, this checkbox, as the same purpose. All right, you can still use that as the same purpose, but for this purpose, let's say you want to put color, you say blue. Let's say black. Let's say white. All right, let's say white. All right, so you come here, don't forget to change the name. You say color. Okay, and once you are done like this, you hit save. But before save, there are still some settings we are gonna do. All right, so now don't forget, put it at required. Okay, this one too, put it at required. All right, so once you are done here, the next thing you want to do is to come to settings here. All right, you come to settings and see notification. All right, notification, come to, but okay, before notification, let's scroll down here. Uncheck this, enable anti-spam, uncheck it, please. When you're on general settings, please uncheck it. Okay, uncheck it. So here is where you edit the button text, submit button text. You can say submit, submit your order. That's what I use most times. Submit your order. You can put the word, the statement that you can give in process, but you can just leave this like this. Please just leave it like this. Okay, so now once you do that, you come to notifications. Please, this notification is very important. This is where you put the email that you want to receive the orders. If you want to get notification when anybody places an order for your product, so you can just do this. You can put your email, money. Okay, let me just say your email, put comma. please, on this admin email, just put comma, just comma, and then your email. Okay, your email, please make sure it's correct. Your email, okay, your email, please, your email. So once you put your email, you scroll down, there's still something you have to do. All right, so you see from email, you clean it. This is very important. From email, you clean it. Okay, and then put info at the name of your website. Info at the name of your website. Let's say this is Steve Mall. Okay, stevemall.com. okay, stevemall.com. Please, this is very important. Just don't worry whether this email is real or not. Just put info at stevemall.com. This is because if you did not put your domain email like this, then the emails that you will receive might be going to your spam. Okay, your notification email for your order will be going to your spam, but if you want to receive it in your inbox, then you put this and then you uncheck. Don't forget to uncheck this enable anti-spam honeypot. Okay, uncheck it. So just make sure you do this. Okay, once you are done with that, you come to confirmation again. Confirmation. Okay, so you will create a thank you page just the way we created that page. I'll show you what you can do. Okay, I'll show you. So once you create a thank you page, all right, you come here, the link of that thank you page, you put it here, go to URL. Okay, that's confirmation. After they've placed their order, what do you want them to do? You want them to go to a thank you page. That is, you tell them the thank you page is not a much, just tell them thank you for your order. All right, we will contact you, our agent, our staff will contact you to confirm your order. Okay, then you tell them about the delivery. You can tell them delivery between Lagos takes 24 to 48 hours, and outside Lagos, outside Lagos takes 3 to 5 working days. All right, you can put your phone number on the thank you page. All right, so on this thank you page, you now come and put the URL of your thank you page here. All right, so once you put your URL here, once anybody places an order, okay, okay, I'm coming, let me do. Okay, so once anybody submits, fill the form and place an order, they will be redirected to this thank you page. All right, they will be redirected to your thank you page. Okay, so let me show you one. Let me just show you an example of my thank you page. Okay, all right, I'm come to pages here. Okay, here's my thank you page. Okay, so I'm gonna view it in a new tab so that you see how a thank you page can look like. Okay, so as you can see, this is my thank you page. So this is just how you do your thank you page. Okay, this thank you page is not specific for a particular product. Okay, this thank you page is not specific for a particular product. All right, so you can use this thank you page for virtually all the products you are selling. Okay, since you are the one selling it, okay, you can use it. So there's something we will do later with this thank you page. Okay, so what you just do is to copy this link here, copy the link of your thank you page, and come here and paste it here. All right, so once you paste it here, you hit save. Okay, you hit save. So once you hit save, okay, I'm not gonna put my link here. Okay, I'm gonna remove, but in your own case, you put your link here and then you hit save. So I'm gonna return it back to this message. If you just want them to read the message, but I'm not advising you to use a message. Please remember, I'm not advising you to use a message. So just come here, click it, go to URL, put your URL, your thank you page URL. Okay, so now once you do that, you hit save. So once you hit save, now you want to put this form on your website. You know this form is not on your website yet. Okay, you know it's not on your website yet. Okay, so we want to put this form here so that people can fill it. Okay, so what we do now is what you come here, you click embed. Okay, once you click embed, you see this code here, this piece of code here. You just double click like this and then highlight all, Control A, highlight all, and then you Control C, you copy. Okay, it might not show the old text. Okay, but that's what you will do. Double click it, it will highlight few of it, and then you Control A to highlight all, and then you copy, Control C. Once you copy that, you come back to your sales page. Okay, now you want to drag this shortcode placeholder, this widget, you drag it to where you want people to fill the form. So you just drop it here. Alright, once you drop it here, you click settings. Okay, once you click settings, you come here, you come to the right side here, just Control A everything, and just clean everything, and paste that code, that small code, that code that you copied from there. Just paste it and you hit save. Okay, please paste it and hit save. So once you hit save, now let's check out our page. Alright, I think my network has fucked up. Okay, this is what I was saying the other time. So now I'll have to reload this page. Okay, you see, changes that you made may not be saved. Okay, that's the implication. Alright, so we have to go back down. You see that the code is no more there. Okay, it's actually saved. Okay, our code actually saved. Alright, so the code is here already. You hit save again. In case yours didn't save, you just come back, drag this shortcode placeholder, put it, and go to settings, and then put your code. Okay, so now let's preview our page. Okay, let's preview our page. Okay, I'm coming. I want to view our page now. Alright, so let me come to weight loss. Okay, weight loss T. Okay, as you can see, we have our page here. As you can see, all our editings. Okay, you can see the form right here. Okay, look at the form. Okay, so before the form, you can do something. Okay, please, maybe I'll give you guys some source page that you can emulate. Some of the source page I've used that you can emulate, so that you just go through it. Okay, what you can do before your form, you can put something like how to place your order. Okay, you can put it here, that tell them how to place their order. You tell them, okay, fill the form below. Okay, how to place your order. Okay, how to place your order. Alright, centralize it. Okay, you bold it, you increase the font from here. Okay, and then you drag another text. Okay, that's a headline. Okay, you drag your text. Okay, you say fill the form below, to place your order. Alright, fill the form below to place your order. Don't forget, you hit save. Alright, so you tell them what to do, so they'll fill the form. This right up here, you can change it to, okay, our customer will get back to you to confirm your order. Then you hit what? You hit always hit save. Alright, so let's check out what I just did just now, whether it has taken effect. So I'm just gonna reload this. Okay, as you can see, how to place your order, fill the form below to place your order. Alright, and you're done. Okay, so now let me show you. Okay, I think we're done with this video for now. So in the next one, I'll show you, I will show you some other stuff that you have to do on your website. Okay, so I think I'll show you how to install your pixel. Okay, how to install your Facebook pixel, but then that will be in another video. Alright, this video is very long and I'm very sure it might be the longest. Alright, thank you very much for your patience. Okay, please practice all these things. You don't just get all these things and keep them. Please practice them. Okay, and the more you practice, the more you get conversant with it, the more it sticks to your brain. Actually, I don't go through. When I first learned all these things, I used to watch the video and design my page, watch the video and design my, but now I can design my page without watching any video. That's very funny to me, right? But then you just have to go through that stage. Okay, but and as time goes on, you will master the process. All right, thank you very much. God bless you.